these diseases are all caused by microwave ovens, and you've probably ignored them. Microwaves are a great, simple and convenient cooking option for all people around the world. The microwave oven has been popular in the US for more than 30 years, virtually transforming society and how we view food. A microwave is a form of non-ionizing radiation. As a matter of contrast, ionizing radiation changes the electromagnetic nature of atoms or ionizes them. This alters the way they interact with other atoms and molecules around them. X-rays, gamma radiation and nuclear medicine, CT scans, barium swallows and mammograms are types of ionizing radiation. Your food is being zapped by high frequency waves of heat, and some people argue that this radiation can be harmful to your health. As we said, according to a growing body of research, microwave ovens are dangerous to our health. How do microwave ovens heat, cook out food? How microwaves work? Here's what you need to know. Alternating currents force atoms to reverse their polarity. This creates friction and vibrates the water inside of the food molecules, causing the food to heat up. How are microwave ovens dangerous? The experts say that inside of your microwave there are 2.45 billion hertz, which is fine until the seal on your microwave door ages and begins to leak. And the worst thing is that the frequency amount shown to harm the human body is 10 Hz. Be cautious and never stand near an operating microwave. You won't know your body is being harmed by the leak until the damage is already done. How does a microwave oven harm our bodies? It causes birth defects, it causes cancer, it will weaken your immune system, lowered resistance to viral and bacterial infections. It can cause more serious and severe illnesses. What does the microwave oven do to our food? It breaks the chemical and molecular bonds. Many experts around the world say that microwaving food degrades and depletes food of its nutrients. The radiation from the microwave destroys and deforms the molecules in the food, creating dangerous radioactive compounds. Microwave breast milk loses 96% of its antibodies. Microwaved infant formula's structure is altered, changing the components in amino acids, creating immunological abnormalities. In 1992, a study from the Search for Health researched the effects of participants that consumed microwave vegetables. They experienced rapidly increasing cholesterol levels, a decrease in hemoglobin causing anemic-like conditions, the decrease in white blood cells, increase in leukocyte indicating poisoning and cell damage. You should be very careful and know that even if your microwave oven is perfectly sealed, you are still exposed to harmful levels of electromagnetic fields. EMF can penetrate human bodies, which is why they are used for an X-ray machines, but can cause serious health problems. The EPA recommends limited exposure to EMF of 5 mg to 2.5 mg. If you stand 4 inches from your food cooking in the microwave, you will be exposed to 100 to 500 mg. Standing 3 feet away from the operating microwave will expose you to 1 to 25 mg. Microwaves may be faster and more convenient than the convection oven, but the nutritional value of your food and the health of your family will pay the price for its convenience.